BM Institute from day one had an objective to cater industry as per the industry demand. They say that the syllabus should be catered keeping in view the industry institute interface. I'm very proudly, I'm here to share that our students could meet the objective of the curriculum which they have underwent. Since it is an All India Council 2 years full-time course, it has the specializations like human resource, marketing, IT, operations management, finance. They study the various aspects of the business management, right from project management to the strategy, to the ethical ethos of the industrial know-how. And in this process of the curriculum, we have minor and major projects, and our students in the third semester they go for the minor projects, and the final year they have the major projects. The idea behind having these projects is also to have an industry institute interface. Very noteworthy here is that though this institute is in the rural segment of Indore division, but I am very proudly sharing that we have a heterogeneous group, set of children coming from the rural background, some set of students coming from the urban, and it's a mix. And in this cultural mix, I found that every individual could make a difference in the market. For example, if I talk about the HR, the Tata Consultancy Services, one of our very good student, Swagata is in the corporate segment of the TCS and managing the recruitment and employee engagement. So when I talk about this kind of achievement, I'm very happy to put on records that we have got the students from various walks of life working with the industry like Infosys, or there are students, because whatever courses the AICTE caters, we are able to put them through in best of the industries. Now gone are the days when students were just confined to the classroom. Now the need of the time is to understand what industry is looking forward, and I'm happy that whatever the All India Council caters in the form of syllabus, our students are able to make a difference. So I am here up as submitting my statement saying that my students are able to make a difference in so-called global local economy. Thank you very much.